We might be at torque spec. There it is, torque spec.
God.
Nice.
That's right. Let it breathe. Oh, let it breathe. 2 weeks of Daytona of Florida will get your body right, you know?
Conditioned.
It'll get your body conditioned.
To having to take another week off when you get home.
We're gonna hopefully not. I didn't after this time.
See, this is.
Yeah, it'll be on the. She won't be there. It'll be.
It's way better.
It'll be on the front porch.
Wow.
We did it, guys. Kinda. We kinda did it, guys.
We're not out of the clear yet.
Not out of the woods yet.
In the clear? Out of the clear?
We're not out of, yeah. Not into the woods yet. As Taylor Swift would say, you know? Hey, out of the woods. We should listen to that. Taylor Swift would be the jams on the way down, dude.
Today's the day we leave for Daytona.
Today is the day we leave for Daytona. We're on the road. We're on the road tonight.
Yes, by the time you watch this, we will be on the road.
By the time you watch this, we will be on the road.
That night.
Yeah, at night. Here she is. The Crimson Crab, baby.
The Red Rocket.
The Red Rocket, the Crimson Crab, the Stuck Pig. That's right.
She made it.
She made it. She's off the bench, dude. Wrong carburetor, no big deal. 48 panhead EL, but 74 cubic inch motor. All right. Magneto. This will be a linker. Don't tell Paul.
He doesn't know yet.
Paul doesn't know yet. I mean, what can we say about it, dude? It's the Survivor, dude.
It's the same bike you've been seeing for a while.
The same bike you've been seeing in every video, okay? It's just now off the bench, and maybe it'll fire up. Yeah, that barnyard farm fence sissy bar. Your grandfather's barnyard fence. We stuck it on the back of the sissy bar. Oh, it will have an enclosed primary on it. It looks open built now. It's not, okay? We're not going that Daytona. All right. Really long Harley extended Springer. If anyone's concerned, it's a 19-inch front wheel.
I'm concerned.
Okay, should we try and fire it up?
Yeah, what
Dude, check out the petcock.
Where's the petcock?
Petcock. Those didn't come stock. Prism.
What's up, Prism?
Stolen from fucking Tim Lepore. Thanks, Tim, you loser.
Wow.
Yeah, you're a loser, Tim.
You know how this works?
Oh, dude, it's cold out. All right.
She's a squirtin'?
She's a squirter. Let's see what happens, huh?
Look at that fucking thing.
I know.
Ooh.
Alright. We're getting reaction.
What is that? What is that noise?
I don't know.
It's like a dryer.
Coming out of
It
that
is.
random
It's a dryer.
Someone's probably living in there.
Yeah, weird. It's always the
Hold
camera.
up, huh?
It's always the camera, huh?
Always, dude. Give me a second.
How many kicks did it take to fire it up
5.
when I was not here?
5. Without the camera. 25 with the camera. The camera adds 20
5
kicks.
pounds.
The camera adds 20 kicks and 10 pounds.
At least it's warming you up, you know?
She'll go. She'll go. I have faith in this one. I don't know why. It's because she's been dreaming about the Florida heat.
I bet it will start easier in Florida.
Yeah. Yeah. Give it a second.
Let it out.
It'll start for you now.
Is it button on?
No. Bottom button down. What the fuck? Such bullshit.
Rubbing.
Oh, it's rubbing for sure, yeah. Woo, that idle is low. You got a knife on you? I might have a screwdriver in the van. Can you get it?
I got it a little bit.
Try it. Yeah, it sounds a little higher.
Dude, is it cool? It looks fucking crazy.
Heyo. You know, we're getting used to it.
You know.
You know. Hey, feels pretty good.
Looks insane.
Yeah, it's a wild setup. It is a wild fucking setup.
What were you saying?
Go to throttleaddiction.com, okay? Click the link in the description, all right? Click the link right here or right here, all right? Throttleaddiction.com. Everything you need, motorcycle related, chopper related, lifestyle, baby. Live your life, all right? If you're living on two wheels, you want to go to throttleaddiction.com. Get yourself some shirts, some springers, all right? Some hardtail kits, they don't sell headlamps, but they do sell replica bait seats, okay? They do sell hardtail kits with everything you need for a Sportster. Go to throttleaddiction.com.
If you are a throttle addict, go to
throttleaddiction.com. Look at this, perfect timing.
Yeah, it started right up.
Yeah. That's really cool. Yeah, right, isn't it? It's kind of nice. You fire up for the first time for me, like at 5 kicks.
Till you get to Florida, and then it won't work.
Oh, yeah, well, I'm cranking it.
Thanks.
Did you actually go around the parking lot?
I went around the parking lot like 5 times.
You going to the first gear now?
Sure does.
I would have gone around the parking lot 6 times, but intake clamps, I would have used outtake clamps.
Oh, more of an
No, you wouldn't have, dude.
Don't you say
No, you
don't
wouldn't have, dude.
bro.
All right, dude. No, you wouldn't have, bro.
Are
You
you
don't even know clamps.
Are you innie or outie, dude?
You don't even know clamps, dog. I never stood a chance.
How long is this gonna last?
That's for clapping the cheeks.
If you guys see a skid mark heading into Daytona, that's my wife. She, sissy bar broke, fell off the back.
Well, she don't know how to wipe properly?
She don't know how to wipe.
Skid mark.
Skid mark. All right, let's get these wild horses going, huh? Should we try to fire it on this?
I don't have a problem with that.
All right, let's try to fire it here. There's enough juice in the carburetor without having to turn the petcock on. Might as well just turn the petcock on. It's pretty easy. Yeah, these prison petcocks.
Once you figure them out.
Once you figure it out, my hands are still slipping. I gotta use the right hand
Wow.
to get the leverage.
Why don't they knurl them?
I don't know, man.
Maybe you're over tightening it.
You think?
Maybe.
I don't know. Like, I know you gotta go all the way open with them, I think. See, it started for me. Start it.
Give me a wide tie.
That's where my brain went.
To zip tie it?
Yeah.
Do we have steel wire?
Yes, there's mechanics wire right there.
I really should just weld something to the frame. Fire it up. Just flip it on. We've never really even started a bike up here before. That'll do it.
Nice.
Before we autoerotic asphyxiate ourselves. Kick it. Or push it.
Why would you do that?
This thing's all bent up from me wrecking with it. No, we don't have a second. We should look for another. We should look for a set down there, in case Craigie, you know, wants to ride a friend.
You think I'm gonna meet a friend?
What if you meet a friend, dude? What if I need a ride home?
That's more likely.
That's more likely. That's the most likely scenario. Is I need a ride back.
Is there a helmet law in Daytona?
I don't think so. I'm gonna bring one, cause Florida's fucking crazy.
I'll probably wear one.
Yeah.
I plan on bringing earplugs.
For the burnouts? Huh?
For the whole noise.
For all of it?
Yeah.
I would imagine our campground doesn't get quiet. There's no quiet time at our campground.
I'm not really concerned with that.
Bring a pack of them, dude, just in case. Do we still have that box of earplugs that's over there?
It's empty. It's somehow empty.
What? That doesn't make any sense.
Doesn't it?
That makes zero sense. Because I don't wear earplugs.
I don't really either.
Right. You wear those, you have your Beats.
I got my muff.
You got your muffs, your Beats, your Dre Beats, dude, that you wear.
Safety beats?
Safety Beats. You got your Safety Beats. Hey. Andersons.
Those are the real deal?
Those are the real deal, dog. Those are the real deal, baby boy. All right? They don't get more realer than Anderson. All right? Whoever Anderson is, people really enjoy him.
Did Anderson only make pegs?
I've never heard of Anderson anything else.
Me neither. One trick pony, that man.
Yeah, he really fagged out after the first time. It's always smart to put these passenger pegs on at the very end. Always smart.
Quick tip.
We do it every time.
Quick and fun tip.
Yep. Fun little tricks and tips. See, we're here giving you the tricks and tips. Chopper, tricks and tips. Put everything on and then take everything off. See that technique?
You like that?
That's fucking technique right there, dude. You can't teach that, okay? You can't go to school for that. All right? Did you get it? No, I try to keep things nice around here. Can't do it. Can't see. Can't keep these bolts nice.
It's because you don't clean your bike.
That is true.
If you clean your bike, you would find these things.
That is true. If you clean your bike, you find problems, okay? I refuse to do that.
Nice.
You always test.
It's a fun thing
Give
to
her a
do.
little test, you know? Oh, shit. Be my lover, won't you be my lover? Oh, shit.
Let me see if I can give him a bird's eye view.
Yeah, you see what we're fucking dealing with here. Oh, I thought I had it. Oh, God. So bad. It went so far in. Oh, that's gonna work. Yeah, that's working. Mint.
Oh, yeah, slowly roll.
Blow my wad. Shoot my goo.
Take your time, enjoy it.
I hate that.
Oh.
All right, that's that. It's torqued. We hit torque spec on that one. I'm gonna get hemorrhoids from sitting on this concrete.
Sucking all your ass moisture.
Sucking all my ass moisture.
That's how I get rid of swass.
That's right.
What's fucking wrong with these bolts?
Yeah.
It doesn't matter. It could be fucking 2 threads. It's gonna take us
17.
yeah, a million turns to make one rotation.
Should have used Snap-on, dude.
Should have used Snap-on. We're a Husky family around here, okay?
Oh.
We're whatever Harbor Freight's selling now.
We're Pittsburgh pros.
Pittsburgh pros.
Yeah.
Okay, we all know that. Icon, baby.
We're
We're getting
icons.
there, Paul. I can feel the tension. Oh, might be a torque spec.
Ooh.
We might be at torque spec. There it is, torque spec. God. There it is.
Okay.
Ugh. My underwear's like
We just smash it on.
the exhaust pipe. I think I'm fucking bleeding. It's not bad. Thought I was bleeding.
Not as bad as catching that fucking thing all
Just
over.
my period. We did it.
What do we do?
We're coming to fucking Daytona. We're coming for you, Florida. All right? We finished it. She's done.
Show the world you can start it.
Dude, this is,
I'm doing this for you.
That's funny, dude.
I'm doing this for you.
Oh, wait. It wasn't actually done when you started it.
Oh.
I don't have an accelerator pump to help me, okay?
Oh, listen to you.
All right? We're coming for you. We have merch.
We do have merch.
I don't know if you noticed I was wearing a hoodie. We have it. The merch is out. Now that you're watching this and you're excited, our merch is out. We have merch.
Where's the other one?
Here. Here it is.
Dude, what did you do?
I didn't do that. Here it is.
There's already a Lucy.
All right. Okay, you ready? Look, long sleeve. Front. And the back. And the arm. These are out right now. Grab it while supplies last. Be quick, because they seem to not last that long.
What else?
You know what I mean?
What else can these people do?
So it's Thursday. We are currently in the van driving to Daytona. The only thing you have left to do is to like and subscribe.
Please like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe to the channel, like and subscribe to life, like and subscribe to Daytona. Come to Harley Davidson's booth on March 7th. Choppers Magazine is having the Choppers Magazine show. Choppers Magazine Chopper Show.
Choppers Magazine Chopper Show.
In Daytona at Harley Davidson. Come see us. This will be there. That'll be there. We'll be there. Let's party, baby.
Come say what's up.
Come say what's up. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Patreon, Instagram, TikTok,
Facebook, merch on the website. It's live. Go get it. Come see us.
Throttle Addiction.
Throttle Addiction. Always Throttle Addiction. Always Daytona Bike Week, baby. Here we come.
Paul, hit him with a like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
That's that, baby. Daytona. Daytona.
I'll check and see if I got any Speedo cables at home.
All right.
Okay. All right. Speedo cables?